My dear Louisian students, welcome to school year 2026-2027. A new academic year is more than the beginning of another semester. It has an opportunity to begin again with new goals, fresh perspectives, and renewed hope. Guided with our Vision 2031, we renew our commitment to mission excellence, academic excellence, people excellence, and institutional excellence, is strengthened by our new strategic thrust of sustainability and resilience. To our returning students, welcome back home. To those who are joining the Louisian family for the first time, welcome to a community where faith inspires learning, excellence shapes character, and service gives meaning to what we do. This year, I encourage each of you to embrace every opportunity to learn and to discover the person you are called to become. Challenge yourselves academically, build meaningful relationships and friendships, participate in campus life, and allow every experience to prepare you not only for a profession, but for a life of purpose and service. As a university, we also begin a new chapter, one that calls us to continue innovating and responding to the needs of a rapidly changing world while remaining firmly rooted in our Catholic and CICM identity. Let us journey through this academic year with courage and a shared commitment to excellence. Together, let us create a community where everyone is empowered to learn, lead, and serve. On behalf of the administrators, faculty, and staff, I warmly welcome you to the University of St. Louis Tuguegarao. May God bless you, and may this academic year be filled with hope and purpose. Welcome home, Louisians.